Oh, French fries.
It's a nice day. Yeah, bro. It's a nice day. Oh, what's this?
Is that a beach whale? Bruh. Is that a beach whale? Oh, ow!
Ow, don't. Ow, beach whale.
But you just kicked me. I about wanted to begin.
Please help me.
He kicked me again. I call you not by your right name. Beach whale. French fry, help! Okay, then. Gotcha. Tell him not to kick. Tell Beach Whale not to kick me again. Bro, Beach Whale just kicked me. Bro. Help. He kicked.
Oh my God! And woo! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Help! Wow! Oh my God! I'm just gonna ride you.
I'm on. Let's go to do. Alright, easy girl. Easy boy.
Ooh. How was your ride?
Butterfly.
How was your ride? Pretty guy. How was your ride? Pretty guy.
Oh, yeah. Nice girl. That's boy I met.
What? Help!
Are you okay? I got you. I'm bringing you back to the couch. Oh, you're so happy. You're so happy as heck.
I'm tired.
That's not how you're supposed to sleep. Ow! He kicked me again. He kicked me too.
Ooh. What the heck?
Happened. Whoa! What's this? What's this thing? What's this? What's this? A hippo? Is this a hippo? Oh, this is a hippopotamus. No, dummy. This is a rabbit. I think his name is Rabbit. But we should name him Sassy. You like your name? Sassy? Yeah, you do. Ooh. Oh, do a bunch of fun things. Doing. Ow! Somebody help!
He's biting me! Somebody help! What's going on? French fry? He was just biting me.
My God, he's biting me more.
I got you. I'll save you. He drew me. Help!
Bro,
Look what you did.
I pay you the $20.
I pay you $20 later, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna go check on.
Make sure I could be a good friend.
And I pay you the $20 later, okay? Okay. Wow! What happened? Ooh. I got you. I'm bringing you back to the couch, okay? Ooh, I got you. Pay you $20 later, okay? Okay. Okay. Are you okay? Okay. Can you just go home? Yeah. I think he's at home now, so let's just lay down and have fun. Ooh. Hey, you want to play with your little toy? You want to play with it? You want to play with your little toy? Or are you going to run away? Oh, you're over there? You're having more fun over there? You having more fun over there? You can roam around. You could chill, but you can't hide. I guess he could chill, and he could hide. Where is he? Oh, I can't. Good night, Sash.
Love you forever.